What's up, friends? Welcome to my brand new video. If you aren't one of my friends, please don't forget to subscribe and become one of them. Now, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you. So it's going to be my September Boxycharm Premium Box. I do spend $40 a month on this, and here's the card. It's really cute. The theme of it is Strut Your Runway, and here's the card. I really like it. Who doesn't want to strut through life? Now, I can't wait to show you what I got in my box. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first one is a palette, and I'm in love with it. It's by Iconic London, and wait till you look at these shades. They are so gorgeous, and I think they just scream fall. So here we go. And this palette is not cheap, so it's $62, and I am wearing this on my eyes today. This has lasting power. The shades are extremely vibrant. They blend out beautifully. They layer on top. I have no gripes about this, and I do have one other palette by them, so their quality has always seemed to be top-notch, because the second one, when I saw this, I was giddy that I got another palette by them. Now I'm going to go ahead and swatch what I'm wearing on my eyes today. So the first one is called Sitting Pretty. There we go. The next one is going to be Manifest. And the first one's like a pinky pearl, and then the other one's a purple pearl. Then I have I've Arrived for the third. And the swatches are not doing it justice with how it looks on the eyes. Then Dressed Up, this one is gorgeous. Yeah, it even swatches amazing. I think Dressed Up is my favorite. Then we have Booked and Busy, and that is everything I'm wearing on my eyes today. And like I said, at the end of the day, I looked and the color was still there, like I just applied it. So I'm going to let you see my eyes real quick. And how many shades does it say? So you get 20 highly pigmented shades. Absolutely agree with that. And it's pretty awesome that we have a $62 palette in here. That just pays for the box right there. Now the next item I really didn't like, and I like this brand a lot. So this is by Tula Skincare, and it's their Brighten Up Smoothing Priming Gel. So here is the cute box it comes with. Has a lovely note in it. I like it a lot. Unleash Your Glow. And here is the actual product. Go ahead and show you it. And you're not going to be able to tell, but I'm going to show you. So this is going to be like a really cushiony gel. Now, the reason why I did not like it, I wore it to work yesterday. I did my makeup like I always do, and when I do my makeup, without fail, it lasts me the full 10-11 hours. When I came home and I looked at my makeup, I was not happy. There was patches on my chin missing, and then there was some on my forehead. So that usually never happens with me. When I put my makeup on, that stuff stays. So how I'm gonna use this? I'm gonna use it at the gym with no makeup. I'm gonna put it on. It has a cooling sensation, and I really enjoy that. If I'm going out and I don't feel like putting on makeup, I'm gonna put this on as the final thing after my skincare. And it really gives you pretty glowy skin, which I'm going to use it, but I would not repurchase that. And the retail value of it is going to be $34. Now the third item, this shocked me. I did not think I was going to like it. Everybody knows I like my pomade. I put that on. I'm usually not a fan of pencils. And this one is by One Size, and it's Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil, and this thing is $19, and it says it's 12-hour waterproof, smudge proof, and I have to really agree with that. I wore it to work, and at the end of the day, my brows were still there, and I work in the hot, sweaty sun. I got the shade Blonde, and this is on my brows today. And this went on like a dream with no problem. I put it on, and before I knew it, my brows looked amazing. Now, for someone that does not like a brow pencil, I would 100% repurchase this. I absolutely loved it. Now, the next item is by a brand I absolutely love, and this is by Elemis. It's their Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow, and it has apple, apricot, and cactus. And what it says it does, it brightens, balances, and exfoliates. Now, I tried this, absolutely fell in love with it. My skin loved it. It doesn't have an apple cider vinegar smell, which I attest that smell. I cannot stand it. I tried doing that when I was trying to be healthy. I went over and thought, if I have to drink apple cider vinegar and be healthy or not and be unhealthy, I rather choose the unhealthy thing. So for me saying it does not smell like that, I'm telling you it does not. It has a sweet fruit scent to it, which I really like. Now, if you don't like fragrance, this is not going to be for you. I put this on my skin. It did not burn whatsoever. It felt really nice. The only thing, if I have to pick what I don't like, is it has something where you put your little pad on here, you push it down, and it fills the pad. I'm one of the rare people that don't like to put their toners on a pad. Absolutely hate it. I like going over, putting it in my hands and putting it directly on my skin. For me, I get more uses out of my product and it's not as wasteful. That's at least what I think, but that's my opinion. So what I do is I push this down over my hand and then I go over and do my normal rub and then pat, and it works for me. So if you like putting a pad on there and pushing it down, there you go. So here's the product. It's a really pretty bottle, and I'm glad it does not smell like apple cider vinegar. So what does it say on the card? Anything I did not tell you. So it's a natural prebiotic. It's mild. You can use it twice a day. I only use it once a day, and it's $36. And when I run out of that, I will absolutely buy it because my skin loved it. Now, the next product surprised me again. So this is by Benefit, and this is their Moisturizing Lip Balm. Now, I'm not a big Benefit fan. There's only a few products I like by them. There's a couple brow products I like for them. Other than that, just not really my jam. They have this one lip and cheek tint that they have, and you put it on your cheek and you can put it on your lip. It wasn't for me. I tried it. I just didn't like it. So when I saw this, I had my doubts. But this is what's on my lips. It is breathtaking. Now, I wouldn't say it's a balm, but what it is what I have been looking for. I have been looking for a lip tint. I want something put on my lips that won't over dry my lips, and the color's even. It's not patchy. Every one I've tried of a lip stain is patchy. It wears off weird. The colors doesn't stay true, and I've had issues. This is a beautiful lip tint. So what you do is you put it on your lips and then you just dab it off, and you get the prettiest color. Look at this. It is in the color Cherry. Pretty packaging. They went all out on that. Take this off here. I just yanked it off, and here's the product. I'm going to show you the color. It is so pretty. Look at that. Is it super moisturizing? No. Are you going to get butthole lip? No. Are you going to get a gorgeous color? Yes. So I would absolutely buy more colors of this. Finally, I found a lip tint I actually like. So if you haven't found a lip tint you like, pick the sucker up if you didn't get your box. Now, this one is going to be $21. I absolutely think that is worth it. I don't think that is overly priced whatsoever, because I tried lip tints that cost so much more and they were freaking disappointing. Now, the last item in my box. It's kind of good and it's kind of bad. So it's going to be 2 items in this box, and it's Dear Midnight Star Crossed Eyeliner Duo. This is $38 for the both of them. I'm gonna start with the good. Now, the packaging is gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? Okay, the good. Nope, that's the bad one. This one is Blackest Night, and it is a gel liner. That is what's on my lower lash line. I put it on and I smudged it out, and it is pretty. And with my watery eyes, this actually stayed put. I put it through its test and I was really impressed by it. So I'm gonna put this on. Let me wipe this off. And here it is. Really pretty, but if you really want to see how gorgeous it is, I would say look at my under eyes. Look how pretty that is. And this shit does not budge. So really happy with this one. Now the thing I did not like. This second pencil is called Starlight. So it's like supposed to be a silver gray color. I thought it was dried out because I rubbed it. Nothing came off. So I sharpened it. I was like, okay, maybe it's just dry and I have to get the initial layer off of it. I sharpened it, swatched it, still none. I was like, okay. The first one is really good. I'm going to give it another try. Sharpened it again, still nothing. I want you to look, okay? I am pressing, and barely anything shows up. There shows, with me pressing so hard, there is a little bit on my hand. You don't want to press that hard on your eye. So this one is definite no on this, but I'm happy with the black. So at least it wasn't a complete loss. I like 50% of the product. Okay. So when you add all those items up, my box value was $210. I love this box. I think it was really worth it for me. I think Boxycharm killed it. Now, if you stuck around to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. You guys are so awesome. I can't tell you how much you guys mean to me. I love you to pieces. And let's go ahead and grab Sugar Bear and say bye. Come here, Sugar Bear. Sugar Bear, you gonna say bye to all our friends? Yes, we love you so much and we look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.